today's video, I am going to show you on how to clear search history on your Google Map applications. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. So there's two ways on how to clear searches on your mobile phones, and the first one is just click on the search bar. As you can see, there are the search buttons here in the top, and these are my recent searches. And the first one is just you can click on the search first area that you've searched, and as you can see, it will going to pop up the two options, the cancel and delete options. So just choose this delete option to delete this one, and you can, as you can see, it's gone. So you can do that for the others. However, the other one is that you can head on to your profile here on the right side corner of your Google application and tap on that, and here at the bottom you can see here the settings option, so click on that. As you can see, you need to scroll down, and you can see here also the maps history, so you need to click on that. After you click on that, it will gonna pop up your recent searches also. So as you can see, these are the recent searches. So in here there's an X in here for the recent searches that you've searched. So also you can tap on that and delete. And you can do that for the others. Just repeat that process. However, in here, there's a delete button in here, as you can see. So there's other options also. You can delete those are searches today, delete custom range, delete all time, and auto delete for 18 months. So you can choose on that those options. So I'm gonna choose delete all time, and it will gonna ask some confirmation if you really wanted to delete this one or if you're gonna cancel it. So I want to delete it. As you can see, it's deletion complete, and click on OK. And that's how easy to clear your recent searches on your mobile phones for the Xiaomi users. Or also, it can also be the same um for other Android phones. So yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you learn more. Please click and hit the subscribe button to be updated for the next videos. Thank you.